Hello there everyone. I am Yogiraj and I am currently a data science and business analytics intern in the Sparks Foundation, and now I am going to show my task 6, that is iris classification using decision tree classifier. The motive of this task is to perform the classification on the iris species using the decision tree algorithm. So first I am importing all the necessary libraries, that is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and Seaborn. After that I am using the Pandas read CSV command to read this CSV file, the dataset which is in the CSV file format, and I am using this .head command to show the top 5 rows, the first 5 rows of the dataset, and I am dropping this ID column since it is not important, and since already the indexing has been done, so I am dropping this ID column. And after dropping the ID column, I got total of 5 rows in the 5 columns in the dataset. So the 4 columns are sepal length, sepal width, petal width, all in centimeters, and species of the iris. So after this, I am separating the independent columns and the dependent columns. So as we can see in this dataset, the dependent column is species column, and all the remaining 4 are the independent columns. So all the independent columns are stored in the x variable, and the dependent column is stored in y variable. So after that, I am splitting this dataset into training and testing using the train test split command from the sklearn.model selection library or module. And I'm splitting the dataset into training and testing with the training sizes is 80% and testing sizes 20%. So after doing this, I am importing the decision tree classifier or the decision tree algorithm, and I'm keeping the criterion as Gini index, and the max depth is 3. That is the maximum depth of the tree is 3, and criterion on which it should the root node should be decided is based on the Gini index. After that, I am fitting this training data into the model, the decision tree model, that is X-train and Y-train. And after that, the model has been trained. I am using the trained model to predict on the testing data. So since this is a classification algorithm, we can use the accuracy as an evaluation metric. So the accuracy of the decision tree model with Gini index as criterion is, as you can see, that is 96%. This is the testing accuracy. And now let's check the training accuracy also. Since we have to check whether overfitting is occurring or not, we have to ensure that there is no overfitting. So if we take the training accuracy, it is also 96%. So since both the accuracy is same, then there is no overfitting and our model is perfect. So I am now, just for visualization purpose, I am plotting the decision tree. As we can see, this is the maximum depth, that is the 3 is the maximum depth, and after that this shows the tree, that is the Gini index. I mean the root node has the Gini value of 0.665, and after that next node has the Gini index as 0.496, and next two has the Gini index of 0.18 and 0.048. And this is the visualization part of the decision tree. And after that, now I am saving this model using pickle as a pickle file as model.pkl using pickle library. And after that, I am loading this saved model, the saved model, to predict on this given values, that is 5.1, 3.5, 1.4 and 0.2, and I'm getting the answer as iris setosa. So the model is classifying correctly, and this is the classification of iris using iris species using decision tree classifier. Thank you.